Hello, Gemini Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Thank you nga po pala sa mga nag-like, share, and subscribe. At sa mga po hindi nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat po. Feel na feel ko po ang inyong love and support sa ating channel. So start na po tayo. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Huwag nyo na pong pansinin yung mga bagay na hindi kayo nakaka-resonate o hindi nyo feel sa inyong life. And pagtuunan nyo po ng pansin yung talagang mararamdaman nyo na inyo na reading for this week. Okay? Ang heart of your the center of your reading ay ang Eight of Swords. In the area of what you want, you have the Ace of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of what you need, you have the Five of Swords. Puro swords. In the area of your recent past, you have the Seven of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Four of Cups. In the area of your challenge, you have the Two of Pentacles. In the area of your fortune, you have the Hanged Man. Beautiful. In the area of your advice from the divine, you have the Six of Swords. At the Knight of Cups. Beautiful. Wow. At ang inyong outcome ay meron kayong Queen of Swords. Puro swords tayo ngayon. At the bottom of your deck, Gemini, you have the Five of Wands. Conflict, di pagkakaunawaan o diskurso o pagtatalo, meron kang, I'm also seeing competition. If you're signing up for a competition or you're in the middle of competing with someone else o sa isang grupo o sa isang contest, or you're in a workplace na meron kayong diskurso with other people o magkakaiba kayo ng viewpoint o di kaya ay creative disputes with other people, ito yung nasa background ng iyong buhay ngayong Feb 10 to 16. The question is, will you defeat this competition? Go on ka ba doing everything that you can para manalo ka, or you're gonna use this opportunity to learn from other people? So yun yung mga points to ponder mo this week, Gemini. Okay? So diretso tayo sa iyong reading. At the heart of your spread, you have the Eight of Swords. Feeling stuck, feeling walang way para magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin, o wala kang solusyon na mahanap. You feeling inadequate, you feel na parang kulang yung kakayahan mo o kulang yung paraan mo para makuha mo yung mga solusyon sa problema mong you're not stuck, it's just in your mind. Probably bunga yan ng mga nakaraan mo o childhood na upbringing mo. Probably may mga nagsasabi sa'yo lagi na mahina ka o hindi ka magaling, na ganito ka, kaya nag-instill yan sa mind mo. It's the reason ko bakit feeling mo may nakatali sa'yo o hindi ka makamove forward. So, nasa sa'yo yung lakas para to get out of that system, to get out of that mindset, and malayo yung swords sa paligid mo, hindi ka masasaktan. You can get out of this situation on your own. You just have to really have that willpower to go and move, okay? The Eight of Swords being clarified by the Emperor. Yes, you have, umulan. Kung narinig niyo po yung ulan, apologies. Ako medyo malakas siya. Sana naririnig niyo pa rin ako. So the Emperor, you have the power, you have the authority, you have everything na abilidad mo para magawa mo makawala sa bagay na ito, sa problema mo na ito. You can get out of this. You just have to really look deep within you and see and recognize your power, recognize your ability para masolusyonan o magawan mo ng way itong pinaproblema mo na ito. Akit po tayo sa iyong conscious and subconscious position. In the area of what you want, you have the Ace of Swords. Hindi ako makapagsalta today. I don't know why. Probably because maulan or something. Maulan din ba sa inyo o malamig? Sobrang lamig. Non-stop ang ulan dito sa may amin eh. So, Ace of Swords, you want clarity, you want the truth. I'm hearing you want the truth. You want to be free from the lies, free from deception and manipulation, o di kaya ay gaslighting. I'm seeing gusto mo makipag-communicate pero yung kabilang panig ay walang effort to do the same para sa'yo. So hindi kayo mag-meet halfway. So you want communication, you want the truth, you want information na magsasabi sa'yo if you want to push this through or move on, di ba? So the Ace of Swords being clarified by the Five of Wands. Dalawang beses lumabas yung Five of Wands. Are you gonna continue fighting for this? Are you gonna continue fighting for this person? Kung ito man po itungkol sa trabaho, are you gonna be that person na ilalaban mo pa rin yung gusto mo o yung point mo? Even regardless kung tama ka o mali. So, is it worth it? Yun ang tanong sa'yo. Worth it bang ipaglaban itong bagay na ito? Ng communication na to? If you really want to win this argument, if you really want to win this fight o itong contest o kung ano man po itong pinaglalaban mo at this moment dito sa Feb 10 to Feb 16 timeline mo, Gemini, you need to have this clear mind and clear intention so that you will get a clear resolution or clear solution dito sa pinaglalaban mo na ito. Communicate properly. That is what you need to do in order to get this win na gusto mo makuha. But in the area of your subconscious, in the position of what you need to make sure that at the end of this fight or conflict, you stand strong. You need to feel worthy of yourself. You've been in this fight for so long, or in this conflict, in this drama for so long, pero you should still be at parang at the end, kailangan kompleto ka pa rin, kailangan kilala mo pa rin yung sarili mo, kailangan you still have that values within you to move forward and hindi ka masyadong durog or devalued by what happened. So, stand strong and still be proud of who you are despite sa mga nangyari. So, you need to talagang hold yourself together. If you really want to fight this, make sure that hindi mo may bababa yung sarili mo in the process. You're still whole, yung kumbaga. So wag kang masisira sa process na ito. So the 5 of Swords is being clarified by the 8 of Cups. Yes, moving on, moving away, distancing yourself. Worth it nga ba itong drama na ito? Make sure that at the end of this, you are walking away complete, still feel na ikaw ay worthy, you are worth it, you have that self-confidence and self-reliance within you that yes, may conflict, yes, nag-away tayo, yes, you hurt me, you bruised me, but I will walk away free and complete and still love myself. Ganon dapat ang mindset mo. So that is what you need to have this week depending sa pinagalaban mo na ito. In the recent past, you have the 7 of Wands. You really fought for this. You really tried to prove yourself to these people na kung may question sa'yo o lumalaban sa'yo o made you feel unworthy. And I'm seeing you so tired of defending yourself or saying the true version depending on you. Yung parang yung version mo, alam mo na tama ka, but still they are telling a different version na ikaw yung nasa bad light. So you tried your very best to prove yourself and tell the truth, but yung kabilang panig, they are not giving it to you, di ba? So the 7 of Wands is being clarified by the Chariot. Yes, that really pushed you to the edge. Ano, parang feeling mo wala ka ng kakampi, feeling mo you're alone and ikaw lang yung nagde-defend para sa sarili mo. Na-feel ko parang it was an energy very negative. Na parang yung mga plano mo to move forward na halt, napigilan. Because masyado kang napagod and masyado kang nasaktan dun sa mga accusations and also yung questioning sa yung value, sa yung kakayahan o sa yung pagkatao, ano. So somehow in your mind you want to move forward, gusto mo na matapos to, you want to be the bigger person or take the high road, but since you really need to defend yourself, you really need to say something naman para sa'yo, hindi ba? In the near future, Gemini, you have the 4 of Cups. Yes, now you're seeing parang walang pag-asa or people around you are not worthy of your time, of your love. You want something else. For others, I'm seeing gusto mo nang lumipat na ibang trabaho because the people sa circle mo now are very toxic. You want a new environment. For others, I'm seeing you want a new chance at love again or find a new life somewhere else. So hindi mo hindi mo na kaya itong tatlong cups na to, and you're trying to find this fourth cup, a fourth opportunity, a new way of life, a new way of work, and for others, a new chance para magkaroon naman ng new start in your life. So the Four of Cups is being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. I'm seeing a new opportunity will come to you. This will be the fourth cup. And you will get the chance, Gemini, to change everything, to have that a new start. Parang bagong bagay ito sa buhay mo na pagkakaabalahan mo away from these people that are really toxic and kumakain na doon sa self-confidence mo, sa self-worth mo, even questioning your personality, your value. Masyado ka nilang ginaslight, and then that resulted to you questioning your reality, questioning your values. So now, in the near future, you're very lucky and you're very optimistic kasi may paparating sa'yo na new opportunity, new job, o bagong sideline or promotion or something that is so valuable na hindi mo naiisipin tong tatlong to, and you're gonna welcome this fourth cup. Okay, so congratulations, a new start, a new beginning. Okay, and the area of your challenge is Two of Pentacles. Balancing. Balansehin mo na this week itong pag-transition mo from this painful encounter with these people saka dito sa pagpasok ng Ace of Pentacles. Bagong opportunity, bagong life, bagong mga circle of friends or circle of workmates, bagong work environment. So, you really have to balance your life through this transition. So, meron namang mga ways for you to really do this by taking one step at a time. Huwag mo madaliin yung proseso, huwag kang ma-overwhelm masyado sa mga changes. So, daanan mo lang ito, balansehin mo pa rin yung life mo. Huwag ka masyadong paseryoso, go out, be open to new people, be open to enjoy also the company of yourself, kasi tinan mo mag-isa lang siya dito pero focus siya sa dalawang bagay. So make sure that you're also happy being alone or being by yourself. Okay, so that will be your challenge this week. So these Two of Pentacles are being clarified by the Four of Cups. Dalawang beses lumabas yung Four of Cups. You thinking of ways on how to appreciate the new things na dadating sa buhay mo, and be open, embrace new changes, embrace new opportunities, and huwag ka masyadong huwag ka masyadong ma-stress sa mga paparating na mga bago. Treat them as an opportunity rather than a challenge, or rather than discomfort. I'm hearing don't play safe and don't be too comfortable in your safe space. Try to explore, try new things so that magkaroon ng spice and the life and flavor yung life mo. Okay, so that will be your challenge. Are you gonna open up yourself to other things while balancing this transition, or are you gonna stay stressed out sa pagbabago na ito sa life mo? So nasa yan, Gemini. In the area of your fortune, you have the Hanged Man. Since as a fortune siya, hindi to delay o hindi to stuck mindset. Since as a fortune siya, I'm seeing you trying to see things in a new perspective. Kaya siya bumaliktad kasi bumaliktad siya, nakita niyo yung isang bagay, yung isang image in a new perspective. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng enlightenment. Okay pala, ganito pala gagawin ko. Ganito pala dapat yung approach ko. And then marirealize mo, hindi pala lahat ng pagbabago sa life mo ay problema o challenge or adjustment na ang hirap-hirap i-tackle. So you're seeing a new perspective in this new environment, in this new workspace, or this new people, and you're saying, okay, ito pala yung dapat kong gawin. Hindi pala ganoon kasama. Hindi pala ganoon kahirap. So, meron mga moments ka ngayon. Ganito pala. So, that will be in the fortune this week, Gemini. Seeing things clearly in a bigger and different perspective na hindi mo inakala noon. Meron kang perception o meron kang anticipation on something, and na-realize mo, hindi pala ganoon kasama yung iniisip ko. Mali pala yung iniisip ko. It will be much better pala than what I expected. Okay, the Hanged Man is being clarified by the Two of Swords. Okay, so you having this clear vision of choosing which is which, hindi ka na Kasi Two of Swords is like keeping your things. Kasi kung makikita niyo po yung original na tarot card for Two of Swords, like dalawang swords nakayakap sa kanyang dibdib. Magiging open ka na to a lot of things. I'm saying that. Hindi mo na iisipin yung pag-guard sa sarili mo. You're more open. So, since you have the Hangman, you have the insight, or you have the new ways of looking at things. So, hindi ka na mag-guard masyado and you will open yourself. So, ito yung sagot dito sa iyong challenge this week of balancing and thinking of the things na hindi mo na gusto. Kung mag-open up ka ba, like I've said kanina. Now, with the clarification of Two of Swords, yes, you're gonna be opening up yourself to new things and new endeavor and new flavors in your life. In the area of advice, you have the Six of Swords and Knight of Cups. So, puntahan mo daw yung mga bagay na magkakaroon ka ng new opportunities and new offers. So, pag may nag-offer daw sa'yo, sabi ng advice ng yung spirit guides, pag may nag-offer sa'yo ng magandang bagay o may potential na mga offers, go for it. Huwag ka daw magdalawang isip. Take this as a brand new start, an opportunity to be better, an opportunity for better future, okay? Wag mo hindian yung mga possibilities. Wag kang mag-close up sa mga potential na swerte, kung may dumating na mga alok o may mga dumating na mga sidelines o bibigyan ka ng opportunity to try something new, go for it. Wag ka mag-hesitate. You'll be surprised with a lot of things kapag sinubukan mo, Gemini. So, this Six of Swords being clarified by the Hierophant, yes, it will make you grow and be better. Since merong ladder dito si Hierophant, it's like leveling up in life. So, kung ano man tong offer na darating sa'yo, go for it and it will help you level up and evolve and be better, okay? The offer card or the Knight of Cups is being clarified by the King of Cups. Use your insights, everything that you have learned in life. King of Cups is really a master of his emotions. Hindi siya madala ng kanyang emosyon, so he will use his knowledge, his mind to think this through para timbangin. So this offer will help you kind of like move forward and not think of the past, and may evaluate mo to if this offer is really good for you. So don't hesitate these offers. It really help you elevate and be the master of things na gusto mong papuntahan. I'm also seeing someone who is gonna offer you this, someone who is knowledgeable, someone who is very kind, someone who is very, very open to opportunities, especially sa mga newbies, someone who is very friendly, full of wisdom, Before puntahan tong outcome mo na Queen of Swords, let's have some clarifying advice then from the Divine. First, we have number 19. Convert niyo po ang 19 or very important number sa inyo. This is a clarification that is messages for you. Kung nakita pa kayo ng aso anywhere o may aso ka, napag-usapan nyo o pipinonood ka kanina, this is a clarification and a confirmation that this message is really for you. Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. O maging loyal ka daw sa mga bagay na gusto mo talaga. If itong mga taong itong competition na sinasabi ko, o itong mga pinaglalaban mo, if this is really what you want, fight for it. Be loyal to that. But if you really need to move on, go to the things that you love. Assess your life, assess the things that you want so that you will go to the path patungo sa mga bagay na gusto mo at mahal mo. Okay? Another message is a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra o full moon, a completion also, a successful completion of something, acquiring a successful outcome of this thing. So, kung ano pa itong patutunguhan mo with this new opportunity with the Ace of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and enlightenment, pipili ka na, bubuksan mo na yung sarili mo, a win-win outcome will come to you, Gemini. Another message, impasse, reflect and redirect your energy. May mga bagay ito talaga. Like I've said, impasse kasi yung parang dead end. Parang sarado na tong bagay na to, you have to move forward and redirect your effort and your energy and your potential to other things. Like I've said, tapos na to eh. Ito mga to, you're feeling stuck mo, ito mga pinaglaban mo, You want to move forward with the Eight of Cups, and there's an opportunity in the near future that's gonna come to you with the Fourth Cup and this Ace of Pentacles. So, sarado na tong part na to, move forward ka na, and there's a lot of potential for you, Gemini. So, punta tayo sa inyong final, sa iyong outcome, the Queen of Swords. You having this clear vision of the future, clear vision of the opportunities and the possibilities na naghihintay sa'yo. You have this parang positive outlook sa future na magkakaroon ka since you've welcomed brand new start in your life, cutting the cord sa past mo. Parang enough is enough. I have new ways and I have the authority to move forward and move on and have this parang independence within you na kaya kong gawin, kaya kong umalis, kaya kong pumunta, kaya kong gawin yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin nang wala itong mga taong naging nega sa'yo in the past. Ang how gusto mo lang katotohanan. You want clear clear and clean intentions at ganun din yung mga gusto mong taong nakapaligid sa'yo. So, I'm seeing lightness, parang gumaan bigla. Kasi dito medyo mabigat tips. Biglang pagdating dito sa advice mo and sa fortune area mo, biglang gumaan yung pakiramdam ko while reading this, while treading this path for you. So, it's gonna be a light and beautiful start for you sa outcome mo dito this week, Gemini. So, kung dumadaan ka man sa problema with these other people o sa trabaho o sa school, I'm seeing you, dadaanan mo lang to and it will come out for you in your favor and you will be happy at the end of this and reaching new heights, reaching new opportunities for you. Okay? Queen of Swords being clarified by the Six of Wands, victory card, wonderful ending for you. You will be happy with this decision of going forward, leaving things behind, leaving other people behind, starting something fresh, something new. You will get that victory for you. I-cut the cord mo na, putulin mo na yung ugnayan mo sa mga toxic sa'yo o sa mga places na hindi ka welcomed or nagpapastress sa'yo, okay? So, that will make you victorious in life and you will get the things na talagang matagal mo nang gusto makuha na hindi ka na mahihirapan to defend and prove yourself. And you're gonna go. Aabante ka na with this. A victory card indeed. So, Gemini, that is your weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Hopefully, naka-resonate po kayo. It's really a wonderful and interesting reading for you today. Comment po kayo sa baba kung saan kayo nakarelate and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. And to those na hindi nag-skip ng ads, thank you very much. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.